Hello, boys and girls. How are you? Fine. Excellent. Today we are going to learn something new in English. Here we go. The page is the page number 80, language. Okay. Excellent. Telling time. I hope you already watched the video in order to understand. Okay. Telling time is easy. What do you think? Remember that arrow, the long arrow points to the minutes, okay? And that the short arrow points to the hour, okay? It's 5 to 8. It's 5 to 8, okay? Time can be told in different ways. We have 5 past, 10 past, quarter past, 20 past, 25 past, half past, 25 to, 22, quarter to, 10 to, and 5 to. Okay, excellent. Here we go, practicing what we have learned. Okay, look at the arrows in the clocks below. Okay, yes. Then write the time the clocks say in written form. Use the clock above as a guide. Okay, yes. Okay, here we go. Number 1. It's 20 to 7. It's 20 to 7. Great. It's a quarter past 9. It's quarter past 9. Okay. The other one. It's half past 1. It's half past 1. Number 4. It's 12 o'clock. Okay, I know that you did a great job. Okay, if you have any question, okay, you can ask me. Okay, self-assessment. Read the questions, then answer them honestly. Okay, what I found the easiest about learning to tell time was, okay, you can choose some words that you can find here. Okay, the number 2, what I found the most difficult about learning to tell time was something that was difficult for you. In my case, maybe half past, or quarter past, or quarter to. Yes. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions. Okay. Excellent. Remember, work on you for you. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.